Okay, so getting ready to take this back out again. I've got most of it now buttoned up. Um, so when we had the car apart for doing all of the mag ride and the lowering springs, uh, I also figured that this would be a good time to waste more money. And so I did a couple of things here. The first was replacing the Rotofab with this JLT. This is a pretty decent kit, not at all expensive, and has 123 millimeter intake tube that eventually it'll neck down to like 112 or 114. So it's significantly larger than the Rotofab, and assuming that at some point I'm going to, of course, wind up getting carried away with the engine. Better to do this now and just get it out of the way since it's super simple and the car's here. So I had to do a couple of things, or at least I chose to do a couple of things, which was relocating the windshield wiper bottle deal, and I just used a small GM piece that is kind of tucked way down in there. I put everything back together before actually filming any of it, but seemed relatively smart. I basically mounted it right to the Rotofab Big Gulp, which I did install also. Of course, I haven't driven this thing but 50 feet yet, so we'll see if any of this stuff makes any difference when we get to the dyno in a couple of weeks.